All right, so for the next exercise, I just revealed this one right here, exercise 3b worth 2%. By the way, if you didn't happen to finish exercise 3a, which is what you just did, I just changed the due date to Friday at midnight, which is the same thing as exercise 3b. Okay, so this one here is worth 2%. What I want you to do is fork your previous code pen that you just did. So you're gonna fork what you just did. If, by the way, you don't have it working for the first one, I just posted my answer to the first exercise right here. So you can fork this one if you want. So fork your previous code pen. And this time, use the API key that I asked you to obtain in the announcements. When I asked you to go to developers.jiffy.com to get an API key, this is what I want you to do. And let me reveal what your goal is. It's going to look like this. So this time, you have the same kind of box, right? Input box, search. But this time, you're going to search for things. So if I type in search, it'll give me a bunch of GIFs, right? Right. And then if I type in happy, search, right? That's what I want you to do. So how are you going to do this? You're going to do this by using the API URL that you obtained from the documentation. You're going to use your API key that you obtained from when you create your account. You're going to put the search string inside the queue parameter, right? So it's all in the documentation. So let me show you the documentation for a second. Jiffy API. Let's look at the docs. Let's look at code examples and JavaScript. See, look, this is how they do it. So this is their API URL. You just have to replace two things. Your API key goes right there, which is after the API key query parameter. And your search terms that you type in the input box goes right here for q equals whatever. So it's almost the same, a little bit more complex, but here's where we're going. Eventually, you're going to use what you do here and incorporate it in our Twitter example for the GIF icon. Okay? So good luck. Again, I'll be around if you need help. So go ahead and do that. This is a pair thing. Yep. found the example under their docs. Docs under just Google Jiffy API. Yeah, FYI, don't go to jiffy.com. Rather, just Google Jiffy API, which takes you to their developer webpage. Yeah, when you fork something, that basically makes a copy of something, but it's basically a new document.